What's up, discount divas and dudes? Back with another video, y'all. I was gonna be the Grinch that stole clearance at Dollar General today, but I'm gonna let it live until it's actually clearance day. So I'm gonna keep that for another video. But in today's video, y'all, I ate it up at the Dollar General on some P&G deals, and that you can grab up and save that extra money for your next trip to Dollar General. But before we get into this video, like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications so you don't miss out, so you won't miss out. To all my new subscribers, hey, hello, how y'all doing? To all my returning subscribers, y'all already know the deal. So with that being said, let's jump into this video. First deal we gonna be looking at is a P&G deal that you can do any day of the week, because they have 5 off of 25 all week long at Dollar General. So y'all gotta tap in at least one day out of this week. If not, y'all can save it for the weekend as well. But let's tap into these deals. Okay, y'all, the first transaction I did at Dollar General was on the P&G items. What we have here is 16 equals 64 mega toilet paper. It is on sale for $17.95. We have a $3 attachment, making it $14.95. Bounty Essentials, $7.95. We have a dollar digital on that, making it $6.95. Then on the 9 equals 36 Charmin toilet paper, it is $7.95 as well. We have a dollar off, making it $6.95. And I just threw it's Clorox in with it, even though it is not a P&G item. It is $5.95. We have a dollar off, making it $4.95. Now the P&G deal that I was working with was spend 30, save $8 on your next shopping trip. So the total was $28.79 after coupons and the 5 off 25. So yes, I used 5 off of 25 with this transaction as well. And then once I got that save $8 on your next order back, the final total for these items was $20.79, making each item $5.19 a piece. Y'all, I killed it on this transaction. $5.19, especially for a big thing of Charmin toilet paper, y'all. You cannot beat that. Plus, y'all had this hid in the Dollar General behind some toilet papers. But I just want to let y'all know, if y'all see this video, I found it and I bought it. So there you go. Okay, y'all, that was my first transaction. Now let me show y'all my next transaction. Okay, y'all, here is the next transaction, and I used that $8 off on this. So we gonna be getting into that, and y'all, basically I'm going back and forth. I'm not really doing the order of the transactions, but basically I'm just showing y'all like what I did and what was the outcome. So the first one was spend 30, save 8. So now I'm using the $8 that I got back on this transaction. So the gain is $15.95. We have 2 coupons attaching. Well, some of us do. Because I noticed in some of my accounts I got one of the coupons and not both. But anyway, it's $1.55 and a $4 coupon attaching, making it $10.40. Then on the Unstoppables, which this I think is going to be a clearance item, it's the 13.4 ounce Unstoppables. It was $9.85. We have 2 coupons attaching to this as well, $1.55 and a $2, making it $6.30. And I had got me a, where's it at? Oh, I had got this Sprite with this transaction as well. So after coupons, and I did use my 5 off of 25 as well, the total was $14.75, making these two items, because I didn't include the Sprite, but making these two items $7.37 each. That is great on my behalf, because there's no way that you can get a big thing of game for $7, y'all. Or a 13.4 ounce thing of beads for $7. You might can pay $8 somewhere, but not $7. So that is the transaction I used my $8 on that I got back from the PNG. Now let's get into the next PNG transaction that I did. And I'm still waiting to see that save $8 pop up, because it hasn't popped up yet, but I'm sure it should, because they said give it 24 hours. And FYI, some accounts the coupon will pop up right away and some doesn't. You do have to wait those 24 hours before you contact Dollar General customer service. But let's get into this next PNG deal. Okay, y'all, here is the next transaction I did. Oh, and one more thing I meant to tell y'all. Okay, this receipt right here is the one where I said I didn't get my coupon yet, but I noticed on the receipt it'll say discount 1 cent. So that means that you got your P&G coupon back. And see, on my first transaction I showed y'all with the Charmin and the bleach and all that, see, it says discount 1 cent, and I did get my $8 back with that. And the BSK discount is your 5 off of 25, so that means it came off. And then on this one it says BSK discount $5. So my 5 off 25 came off on this transaction as well. So let's get into this transaction. Okay, y'all, we have another Charmin, which I told y'all was on sale $17.95 with a $3 off. $14.95 is what that $3 off is making this. And the 8 equals 20 double bounty towel paper is on sale as well for $17.95 and has a $3 off, making it $14.95. Then we have the Dawn Easy Squeeze. It is $4.95. We have a $2 off, making it $2.95. And these are good to get, y'all. And they are the 24.3 ounces. And I'm going to keep this on repeat for the coupons. I'm going to keep buying these because that's a good price. $2.95 for some Dawn. Then we have the Tide pods, the 45 count. They are $19.95. Y'all, tell me why we have 3 coupons attaching to this Tide right here. But you won't want to be careful, because the coupons that we have is a $3, a $2.05, and a $1. Now, the $2.05 and the $1 are manufacturers' coupons, I think. Are manufacturers, and you know the two manufacturers is not going to go together. So, you want to have your $3 one clipped and the $2.05. Don't worry about that dollar coupon, because if you clip all 3 coupons, they are only going to give you the $3 and the $1. You're not going to be able to use that $2.05, and you want the most savings. So for this, I got $3 off and $2.05, making it $14.90. Cannot beat that at all. Then on the Tide Fab Stain Remover, they are $4.95. We have $1 off, making it $3.95. Okay, after coupons and everything came off, the total was 47.74. Got my $8 P&G back on the next transaction, making the final cost for these items $39.74, making each item $7.94. Y'all, I would take that any day of the week. $7.94 for Charmin and Bounty. You can't usually say that in the same sentence, y'all. And then on the big thing of Oxy Boost, that was almost was $20 with tax and everything. So yeah, let's not get on that. So I think this transaction is a good transaction, but if you don't want to pay that high out of pocket, you probably could get away with getting the Charmin Bounty and probably the Don, or either maybe these three items: the Tide stain remover, Don, and the Tide Pods. It's whatever your household needs. So you know what your household needs. If you stockpiling, I mean, go for what you know. But yes, I would do this deal again tomorrow if I could. So great deal. Now I have one more transaction to show y'all that I did at the Dollar General today, y'all. I'm really trying to get the most out of these 5 off 25s because it is great that we can use this all during the week, and I'ma use it out, y'all. I'ma abuse it, use it out. So let's get into this next deal. Okay, y'all, here is my last Dollar General transaction. Told y'all I had fun today at Dollar General, y'all. Just throwing some items together and seeing the outcome, basically, and all the coupons just melt off. With this transaction, y'all, it's the 5 off of 25 when you buy Sparkle, Brawny, Angel Soft, our Quilted Northern. I didn't grab the Quilted Northern, but I mean, you are free to grab whatever y'all want to grab in this transaction. But I went with the 2 Sparkles. They were 2 for 13, and that's a sale that is going on at Dollar General. No, you don't have to clip a coupon to get them 2 for 13. That's the price on these Sparkles right now, and it's the 6 equals 12, those ones. Then the Brawny, it is $11. We have $1 off, making it 10. Then on the Angel Soft, and that's the 8 equals 32. It is 6 35. We have $1 off, making it 5.35. Then the Suave lotion, that has nothing to do with this with that coupon. This is all by itself. It is $4.50. We have $1 off, making it $3.50. And basically, it's the same Suave lotion, just they have a new look to it. So same old Suave, y'all, just different look. So these items, after coupons and my 5 off 25 came off, was $21.85, making each item $4.37 each. And like I said, once again, y'all, I'm not mad at this transaction because I got some Sparkle, Brawny, Angel Soft, and a lot of people don't like the Angel Soft toilet paper, but to me, it's a pretty good toilet paper. But my favorite toilet paper is Quilted Northern, y'all. It is so soft. So soft. And then my favorite paper towel is the Viva cloth paper towel. It's like real thick, and it feels like a cloth, actually. Good paper towel. Then my next paper towel I would have to say would be the Brawny, and then maybe the Bounty. But y'all comment down below and let me know y'all favorite toilet paper and towel paper. Maybe I could get it and try it out to see if I'm a fan of that or not. But yeah, comment down below. Let me know your favorite towel paper and toilet paper. And that's if you made it this far in the video. But y'all, that is the end of the video. Like, comment, share, subscribe, turn on those post notifications, because no telling what type of deal I will be dropping next, and I would hate for y'all to miss out. With that being said, I will see y'all in the next video. I am out, y'all. Peace.